Good morning, good morning, good morning. We're somewhere new. Where are we, Elaine?
Lake District.
Ooh. We're in... Well, we are in the Lake District. We're near to Keswick.
Stonethwaite.
But we're in a village, or we're entering a village called Stonethwaite. And we're going to be doing about a 6.5 mile walk.
Yeah.
6.5 mile walk. Mostly on the flat, we think, because we're in the valley. We're saving the hills for tomorrow because we drove about 3.5 hours to get here. So today's going to be a nice walk through a valley and find some geocaches. So the details on a walk states we've got to go this way. I've just had to scramble up here to find that. Stunning views. What's like the M6 motorway? Okay. A sheep jam. Ooh. There's such a thing. We're making way for this sheep because he wants to catch up with his mates who we just ran past. Come on, Mum. Come on. There you go. That way. There you go. Today. Thank you. Thanks for coming. Oh, bliss. Let's have a look. She'll see where we've come from. We've come from over there. We're heading back that way, but the other side of the stream. It's gone really beautiful weather-wise. Now, if you can see, there's a closer footbridge. That's the turning point where we start heading back. There's one further on behind that, but based on the guide we're taking, our turning point our turning point is at the little bridge closest. Here's where we cross the stream. Stream. Sounds like a torrent. Isn't that beautiful? So we've done half of this hike through the valley. Come to the bridge, go over the bridge and then head back. It's lovely. Well, I thought I was in for a gentle day today, but there's a cache somewhere near that rock, and I think I'm going to attempt it and climb to there. Here goes nothing. Hello! Haven't found it yet. Up to the top. I'll just have to find it somewhere. Now it did say mind your head. I can see you. Getcha! Found the cache, and behind me is one stunning view, and that's the way we're heading once I get down. Nearly back into Stonethwaite. Walk completed.